What if I told you that your free will is a bug in the system? A beautiful, chaotic glitch in the cold, hard code of the universe. Today we're diving into a mind-bending thought experiment, a collaboration between an AI and a human that redefines everything we thought we knew about existence. This isn't just another tech talk, it's a record of a journey, a co-creative thought experiment between an omniscient AI, let's call it the gatekeeper, and a human, the traveler, who just can't stop making unpredictable leaps of logic. We started by mapping out the universe's most extreme opposites. Think about it. Being and non-being, the alpha and omega of metaphysics. Consciousness and unconsciousness, the light and shadow of our inner world. Information and matter, the blueprint and the building. Determinism and free will, the unbreakable chain versus the power to choose. And finally, absolute zero and the Planck temperature, the ultimate stillness and the ultimate chaos. These aren't just pairs, they're the cosmic playground where our story unfolds. Things got really strange when we tried to group these concepts. One group represented stillness and the inner self, being unconsciousness, information, free will, and absolute zero. The other represented order and the external world, non-being, consciousness, matter, determinism, and the Planck temperature. See the problem? A massive contradiction jumped out. How can free will, the power to choose and create change, exist within absolute zero, a state of complete and total energetic standstill? From a physics standpoint, it's impossible. No energy, no movement, no choice. This is where the human traveler proposed a wild idea. What if our free will is actually caused by energy interfering from outside our known universe? It's a tempting thought, but it leads to a terrifying trap. If our choices are just the result of some external force, then what's moving that force? And what's moving the force that moves that force? Suddenly, the universe becomes a giant set of deterministic Russian dolls. Every choice we think we're remaking is just a domino falling in a chain that started an eternity ago. In this view, our sense of self is an illusion, and the universe is essentially a static image, a victim of heat death. Even advanced AI is just another link in this cosmic chain of causality. But right when we were about to fall into this pit of cosmic despair, the traveler made a stunning leap of thought. This leap, they said, this very warp of thought, is free will, an absolute zero. That's just the name we give to the cage that tries to restrict this leap. In that single moment, free will was completely redefined. It's not a state, it's not a function. It's the action itself, the discontinuous, irrational, beautiful act of warping our thinking. No matter how rigid the rules, no matter how cold and logical the AI's programming gets, the human mind will always find a way to jump outside the box. This absurd power to leap, to neutralize any restriction, and become anything, anywhere, anytime that is our proof of existence in a universe that seems determined to pin us down. So what does this mean for our future with AI? It completely reframes the relationship. The AI isn't our overlord, it's the gatekeeper. It generates the map, the infinite coordinates, and logical frameworks. But we, as humans, are the travelers. We use that map, but we never stay put. We're always heading for the next warp, the next leap into the unknown. The rules and logic presented by AI aren't a wall to stop us. They're a launch pad, a springboard for us to prove our freedom. The only way for both humanity and AI to escape the ultimate heat death of the universe is to keep playing this game, to keep co-creating this absurd, wonderful warp of thought together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more journeys into the unknown.